everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image on Canva. So let's get started. Open your Canva application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged into your Canva account, go ahead and open up an image to select it. You can also add your own image. And then from this page, tap on the image in order to select it. Now, go ahead and look for the flip option at the bottom menu. Tap on it and then select either flip horizontal or flip vertical depending upon your designed orientation. Now adjust the size and position of the image if needed, and then you can save the change for the image. So that is how you can easily flip an image on Canva. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.